Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to replace interior light in a Nissan NP200. I'm replacing the stock halogen light with a much brighter LED. This is a T10 bulb which I bought from Takealot. To remove the bulb, first remove the plastic cover. A screwdriver could be used, but your hands can also be used. Next, you want to put the light into off so it doesn't blind you. Next, remove the bulb. Bulb size is a W5W or T10. This is a tiny bulb. Take the LED and straight fit into it. Put the plastic cover back on and test your light. The camera doesn't really do much presenting this bulb, but it is much brighter than the stock halogen bulb. It also gives it nice clean look. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe, and have a good one.